Okay, here's some bling. I got a couple of Vibroplex t-shirts. Great merch. Super for field day. The oldest name in amateur radio. And here it is. Original Deluxe. It's nicely packed. Very snug in there. I'm sure the suspense is killing you. There we go. There is the Vibroplex Original Deluxe. Fresh from the factory. And it comes with the large weight. I'm going to start by having that all the way to the end. But look here, it comes with this manual. This company's been around since 1905, and they're still making these bugs. My understanding is that some of the original dies might still be in use. Vibroplex, Knoxville, Tennessee, made in the USA. With jeweled movement here. And a pendulum that, when released upon pressing this side of the key, oscillates and generates a perfect series of dits. This side is manual, where you create your dashes or your DAWs, and this side is automatic. It's a semi-automatic mechanical key